Want to sign into the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone? In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can access your subscriptions, playlists, watch history, uploads, and personalized recommendations in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your device. Keeping the app updated helps ensure you have the newest features and a smoother sign-in experience. Open the YouTube app from your home screen or app drawer. Once the app launches, tap the profile or U icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the Sign In button. If you've previously added a Google account to your device, YouTube will display the available accounts. Simply tap the account you want to use and you'll be signed in automatically. If the Google account you want isn't listed, tap Use Another Account or Add Account. Enter your Google email address or phone number, then tap Next. On the following screen, type your password carefully and tap Next again. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the verification using the method you've set up, such as a verification code, prompt, or security key. After your credentials are verified, YouTube will sign you in and sync your account. You'll immediately have access to your subscriptions, saved playlists, watch history, liked videos, comments, uploads, and personalized recommendations. If you manage multiple YouTube channels under the same Google account, you can switch between them later by tapping your profile picture. If you experience sign-in issues, double-check your email address and password, ensure you have an active internet connection, and update the YouTube app if necessary. Restarting the app or your device can also resolve temporary problems. And that's it. You've successfully signed into the YouTube app. Enjoy personalized videos, subscriptions, playlists, and all your favorite content.